The Nazca Desert is characterized by its barren landscape in Peru. The arid climate helped preserve the Nazca Lines for centuries. The dry environment minimized erosion and human impact on the geoglyphs. The desert's vast, flat terrain provided an ideal surface for creating large-scale geoglyphs. The Nazca Lines are a collection of geoglyphs located in the Nazca Desert of southern Peru. These geoglyphs include geometric shapes, straight lines, and animal figures. Some of the lines stretch for hundreds of meters across the desert landscape. The intricate designs and immense scale of the Nazca Lines are best appreciated from an aerial perspective. The precise methods used to create the Nazca Lines remain a topic of ongoing archaeological investigation. Archaeological theories propose the Nazca Lines were created using basic tools and surveying methods. The process involved removing dark surface stones to expose the lighter soil underneath. This created contrasting lines that were visible from above. The labor-intensive nature of this process suggests a significant cultural or ritualistic motivation. The lines likely served a purpose beyond simple artistic expression. The Nazca Lines are characterized by their high degree of accuracy in geometric forms. These geoglyphs include straight lines and precise shapes created many centuries ago. The line's purpose and construction methods remain a significant archaeological puzzle. From ground level, the massive designs are difficult to recognize, appearing as disorganized lines. Their true forms are best appreciated from the air, highlighting the advanced planning involved. The Nazca Lines are best appreciated from an aerial viewpoint. From above, the lines reveal distinct figures and geometric patterns etched into the desert. The scale and clarity of the lines are only fully realized when viewed from a high vantage point. Their creation without the aid of flight presents a significant historical challenge. The Nazca people likely employed basic tools in the creation of their geoglyphs. Surveying techniques were essential for accurate scaling and alignment. Elevated platforms may have provided a vantage point for overseeing construction. The geoglyph's precision indicates a strong grasp of geometry. This understanding was achieved without the aid of aerial perspective. The Nazca Lines feature a figure called the Astronaut, etched into the desert. This geoglyph presents a human-like form in the arid landscape. Its most distinctive characteristic is its disproportionately large head. This feature creates a striking visual contrast against the barren terrain. The astronaut figure in the Nazca Lines is subject to varied interpretations among researchers. Some interpret the figure as a symbolic representation rather than a literal depiction. This symbolic view suggests the figure may represent a deity within the Nazca culture. Alternatively, it could symbolize a significant individual or figure of importance to the Nazca people. Alternative theories suggest the figure represents an extraterrestrial being. Some propose the figure is a depiction of a visitor from another world. This interpretation has sparked considerable debate. Theories connect the Nazca Lines to ancient astronaut concepts. These theories explore the possibility of ancient alien contact. The Nazca Lines are expansive geoglyphs etched into the desert landscape of southern Peru. They manifest as long, straight lines and geometric shapes visible from the air. The scale and precision of these lines are striking, covering a vast area. Their layout bears a resemblance to modern-day runways due to their straight paths. This resemblance has fueled speculation about the original purpose and construction methods of the lines. The Nazca Lines share notable similarities with modern airport runways. A key comparison point is the straightness of the lines. The considerable length of the Nazca Lines is another significant aspect. These features suggest a potential function related to landing or takeoff. This comparison prompts consideration of the lines as ancient navigational aids. The purpose of the Nazca Lines remains a topic of ongoing research and debate. The Nazca Lines, massive geoglyphs in Peru, have spurred various interpretations regarding their purpose. One speculative theory suggests the lines functioned as runways for ancient aircraft. This implies the existence of advanced flying technology in the Nazca civilization. Such a capability would indicate a level of technological advancement beyond current historical understanding. The theory challenges conventional timelines of technological progression in ancient society. Researchers have identified atypical metallic elements in desert soil samples. These metallic compositions are inconsistent with typical desert soil profiles. The unusual elements prompt investigation into their origin and properties. Further analysis aims to determine the source and characteristics of these metals. Laboratory analysis identifies metallic elements in desert soil samples. The elemental composition of the samples is thoroughly examined. The composition is compared against standard desert soil samples for reference. Significant differences in elemental makeup and concentration are highlighted. Experts propose a link between metallic compositions found on Earth and celestial events. This hypothesis explores the potential influence of extraterrestrial phenomena on terrestrial materials. Star charts are used to map astronomical pathways and their possible connections to Earth. These charts are overlaid onto maps of specific regions, such as deserts, for analysis. The aim is to identify patterns suggesting a celestial map or extraterrestrial link within the metallic compositions. This interdisciplinary approach combines astronomy and material science to investigate Earth's composition. The Nazca Desert features a large collection of ancient geoglyphs etched into the ground. These geoglyphs consist of intricate lines and figures spread across the arid landscape. The scale of the geoglyphs is vast, integrating with the natural environment. The high-altitude view emphasizes the network of lines and their relationship to the desert. The geoglyphs' integration with the desert showcases the scale and complexity of the ancient artwork. The Nazca Lines feature precise and complex geoglyphs etched into the desert landscape. Figures such as the hummingbird, monkey, and spider showcase the advanced techniques used in their creation. The creation of these lines raises questions about the methods employed by the Nazca people. The purpose behind the creation of the Nazca Lines remains a subject of ongoing research and speculation. Various theories attempt to explain the purpose and creation of the Nazca Lines. One theory suggests the lines are related to astronomical alignments. Another proposes they served as ritualistic pathways for ancient ceremonies. Speculative theories even consider potential extraterrestrial connections.